Welcome to the Unity BootCamp lesson on how to set up user statistics. brainCloud supports two types of statistics, user statistics and global statistics. Global statistics are centrally stored and accessible by all the app's users. However, this lesson is focused on user statistics. User statistics are instead owned and only accessible by the player. By default, user statistics must be predefined on the brainCloud portal. However, if your app requires user statistics to be created dynamically at runtime, that's possible. First though, you would need to enable the Generate User Statistics rule from the brainCloud portal's Advanced Settings page. Let's go to the brainCloud portal and define some user statistics for the example game. Click Design, then Cloud Data, followed by User Statistics. On the right, click the plus button. Give the statistic a name. The default data type of a statistic is a long, but you can also set it to be a double. We're going to give the statistic a category. Finally, we'll enter a description for the statistic. You can also set the min and max values along with the initial value, but we'll leave these at their default values. Click Save. Click the plus button to create another statistic. Give this statistic a name, set the same category as before, and then enter a description. Click Save. Click the plus button to create one more statistic. Give this statistic a name, the same category as the other two, and set the description. Click Save. On the left, click Cloud Code, then API Explorer. Authenticate. Then from the Service drop-down list, select Player Statistics. From the Operation drop-down list, select Read All User Stats. This request does not take in any parameters. Click Execute to run the request. All the statistics that we defined a moment ago were returned. We'll be using this request in the next lesson to get all the user statistics and display them in the example game. Requesting user statistics is the next lesson in the Unity Bootcamp.